Hello my dear students, welcome to Vinay Kumar Bunni channel. Today we are going to discuss about the calendar problems, which is most important in all the competitive exams like banking, SI, constable. In many competitive examinations it has been asked for 2 to 3 questions. It depends upon the type of examination. So with the many requests, I am doing this video for the Telugu medium students also can be access to learn about the calendar problems. So let's begin the class. Please be with me for 10 to 12 minutes. That will give you complete analysis, complete awareness about the calendar problems. Let's see. For this, you have to remember month codes, centenary codes, shatabdam codes annamata, odd days, and is it normal year or leap year. 4 things should be remembered by everyone: month codes, centenary codes, odd days, and last one, normal year or leap year. See the month codes. For the short technique, you may remember continuously గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Please remember that 12 codes as 0336 146 25035. It is easy when you write in a paper. It is easy to remember this one: January 0, February 3, March 3, April 6, May 1st, June 4, July 6, August 2, September 5, October 0, November 3, and December 5. So first write the 12 numbers 0336 146 25035. Then you write the month first letter. Then it is easy to write the month code, and remembering the month code is very easy. Okay, next, this is very important. Shatabda codes annamata, centenary codes. When it is 1600 to 1699, if the date is asked in between the year 1600 to 1699, then the code is 6. 1700 to 1799, that is 4. 1800 to 1899, that is 2. And most of the questions are asked in the year 1900 to 1999 or 2000 to 2099. ఎందుకంటే రీసెంట్ ఇయర్స్, రీసెంట్ సెంటనరీ కాబట్టి they may ask in these two centenaries. See, 1900 to 1999 it is 0, and 2000 to 2099 it is 6. 2100 to 2199 it is 4. 2200 to 2299 it is 2. 2300 to 2399 it is 0. You may increase whatever the year. అది 1600 కంటే బిఫోర్ అయితే దాన్ని డిక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో వెళ్ళాలి. అట్లా ఇప్పుడు 6420 6420 ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీటింగ్. బ్రాకెట్లో ఉన్న ఇన్ బ్రాకెట్ ద నంబర్, ప్లీజ్ సీ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ 6420 6420. నౌ లెట్స్ సీ odd days. If the after division, if you get 0, it is Sunday. It is 1, it is Monday. If the remainder is 2, it is Tuesday. Then 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, 6 for Saturday. So again, if it is 7, it is divisible by 7 and then remainder will be 0. So 0 is Sunday, 6 is Saturday. In between the over 1 week will be there. Then see, in leap year, already Telugu medium students can be read this slide. So in the leap year, if date is asked for January or February, then after the summation of the remaining all the terms before division, you have after division you have to subtract 1 from the result. Okay, so if you have been asked to calculate or find the day on 1st January 2020, as that is a leap year, so 1st January means it is January. So on January, after getting the result, you might be taken the subtraction. You have to subtract the 1 from the result. After subtracting 1, the result is the final result. Okay, next. See, after remembering all the, let's see the example. What is the day on 2nd June 2014? So first, see, 2nd June means the day is 2 and the 2014, the last 2 years, the last 2 digits can be written as 14, plus the June month code is 4, and 2021 means it is the year in the centenary 2002 2099, so it is 6, and plus number of leap years in the last 2 digits of the year, that is 14. How many number of leap years are there? That is 3 leap years. How it came? By dividing the 14 with the 4. So how much you get the value, that is the quotient value is the 3. So after getting the summation, you have to divide with 7, then you will get the 7 is the 29 is divisible with 7, then you will get 7 for the 28, you get 1 is the answer. And you know, as you odd days are written learned as 0 is Sunday and 1 is Monday, so from the coding the result is Monday. So the analysis is like this. The centenary codes are there, 0336 146 25035. So in between the 2000 to 2099, the code is 6 and date is 2, last 2 digits of year is 14, month code is 4, centenary code is 6, and number of leap years is the 14 divided by 4, that is given. Exact value is not required. How many leap years are there, that is the value required here. So 14 divided by 4, that is 3, and the total of above is 2 plus 14 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3, that is 29. So 29 divided by 7, the remainder is 1. So the answer is Monday. See, in before slide it is done without any codes. After you practice well, you will get the answer directly as summing these all the 5 things: day, year, last 2 digits, then the month code, centenary code, and number of leap years. Now you might solve this one, 2nd June 2021, which is in this year. So pause this video, then solve. After solving, after getting the result, then see the next minutes. Okay, So, centenary codes are there, and it is in the 2021 means the code is 6, and 2nd June date is 2, last 2 digits of year 21, month code is 4, centenary code is 6. So number of leap years is 21 divided by 4, that is the 4 5 the 20, that is 5 leap years. Complete years ఎన్ని వస్తాయో అది చూడాలి. Then total of above is 38. So 38 which is divided by 7 is getting the remainder as 3. So 3 is the code of Wednesday. Okay. So let us do leap year problem. So please spend 1 more or 2 more minutes, then you will learn about the leap year problem also. See, 2nd June 2020. Okay, this even though it is in leap year, but you are in June. If it is January or February, then the result value, after getting the result, you might subtract 1 to get the exact result, final result. So see, this is also same like that. 2nd June 2020, date 2 digits, last 2 digits, month code, centenary code, number of leap years, total of above, that is 37. Then 37 divided by 7, so the remainder is 2. So here the Telugu version can be read by all the Telugu medium friends. And see this, in June, it is June, it is asked to find the day of the June. So it is June, so there is no required to remove the subtract the 1 from the result. So exact 2, which is in red color, exact 2 result is the final result for this 2nd June 2020. So the answer is Tuesday. You might get more number of see, this is the leap year problem which is in January. So 26 January 2020, it is which day? See, this is the centenary code, 26 January 2020, date is 26, and last 2 digits of year, that is 20. Month code, being it is a January, so month code is 0. Centenary code, that is 6. Number of leap years is 4 5 the 20, that is 5. Total of above is 57. So 57 divided by 7, which is remainder 1. So being it is in January, so 1 is subtracted with 1. That means 1 minus 1, you get 0. So the final answer is on Sunday. So this is about the class. So please subscribe if you able to get the calendar problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends, and don't forget to give your valuable feedback in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.